Hey, so I wanted to take you on a quick garden tour of this awesome community garden that I'm part of now. Um, there's so many really awesome ideas being used in this garden. I like to use them. I don't see any reason to try to reinvent the wheel, so why not use the awesome ideas of others around you? And I wanted to share some of those ideas with you. Um, for reference, this is Zone 7, and it's about mid-May. I'm hoping to do a few more garden tours, maybe late June, July, August, and then into the fall, just to show how the garden progresses, but also to show what plants they're going to be using or planting in the fall, because I'm really looking forward to doing that. So enjoy, and hopefully you get some good ideas from this.